Add mayonnaise to boiling water and you'll be amazed at the result. In a saucepan, start by adding 100 milliliters of water. Once the water is boiling, add 100 g of mayonnaise. Now let's mix everything together well. Next, gradually add 200 g of wheat flour while mixing. When it reaches this consistency, lower the heat and stir until it starts to pull away from the pan. Now, transfer it to the countertop and knead while it's still hot. This is the ideal texture. The dough should be smooth. Now let's cut it into small pieces to start shaping. I'll use a plate to flatten the dough, but use what you prefer. Repeat this process with the remaining dough. In another bowl, add 100 g ham, 100 g mozzarella, and oregano to taste. Then mix everything together thoroughly. Now just take this filling and add it to our dough. Next, just seal the ends together and close it tightly. Now folks, let's take it and fry it in hot oil. Once it's golden on one side, flip it and brown the other. When done, remove, drain on a paper towel, and enjoy. Look how amazing this recipe is. Quick, easy, and delicious. I bet everyone at your place will love this dish. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.